Before I get started with this video, I just wanted to thank you all for all of your support with my channel and the content that I create. I absolutely love making these videos and I love sharing knowledge, but what I love even more is the fact that you're enjoying them. And if you do, please smash that like and subscribe button and share these videos. Now, on with the video. Knowing your miles per gallon is extremely important, especially when you're pulling an RV or driving a motorhome. We've all seen them, gauges that claim to show us just how far we can go on a gallon of fuel. But how accurate are they? I'm going to show you how to get your exact miles per gallon. Looking for wonderful places to camp? Then use RV Life Campgrounds. Find information, reviews, tips and tricks, and more. Unlock even more features with an RV Life Pro subscription by scanning the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you, RV Life Campgrounds, for sponsoring this video. Welcome back, everyone. This is Chris from Chris Travels, and in this video I want to show you how to find your actual miles per gallon using the fuel pump and the mileage on your vehicle. This will work with any vehicle that has an odometer or a tripometer. Once you've selected your fueling station, fill your vehicle completely full. Next, if you have a tripometer, you're going to want to reset it. Before starting your engine, write down your odometer's current reading, and your tripometer should be at 0. Now just drive your vehicle. Once you get to around 100 or so miles, find another fueling station and fill your tank completely full once again. Now, before starting your engine, write down your current odometer's reading and subtract. This will show you how many miles that you've driven between fill-ups. You don't need to do this with the tripometer. Now, using a calculator, fill in how many miles you got from the math or the tripometer and divide that by the amount of gallons that you pumped. This will show you how many miles per gallon that you are getting. And as you can see, my math came up to just a little over 10 miles a gallon, and that's pretty good considering that I'm towing a fifth wheel. You see, not that difficult, was it? This is the method that I use when tracking my fuel economy in my truck. We all have wonderful names for that fuel economy gauge, but the truth is the gauge does the best it possibly can to show you what is going on with your fuel economy. But the issue is that it relies on the computer, whereas finding the fuel economy with math is accurate. Just numbers don't lie. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you got some value out of it, and if you did, please smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.